Bananas are a widely beloved fruit known for their convenience, versatility, and delicious taste. But beyond being a tasty snack, bananas also offer plenty of health benefits, particularly in terms of energy and weight loss. Nutrient-rich powerhouses. Bananas are packed with essential nutrients that contribute to overall health and well-being. They are an excellent source of vitamins and minerals, including potassium, vitamin C, vitamin B6, and fiber. Potassium plays a crucial role in regulating fluid balance, muscle contractions, and nerve signals, making it essential for maintaining energy levels and supporting physical performance. Sustainable energy source. One of the key benefits of bananas is their ability to provide a sustained release of energy. Unlike processed snacks high in sugar and refined carbohydrates, bananas contain natural sugars, such as glucose, fructose, and sucrose, along with fiber. The carbohydrates in bananas are also easily digestible, making them an ideal pre-workout snack to fuel your body for exercise. Whether you're hitting the gym or going for a run, a banana can provide the energy boost you need to power through your workout. Weight loss support. Despite their slightly higher calorie content compared to some other fruits, bananas can still be a valuable addition to a weight loss diet. Their high fiber content helps promote feelings of fullness and satiety, reducing the likelihood of overeating. Moreover, bananas are low in fat and cholesterol-free, making them a nutritious choice for those looking to manage their weight and improve their overall health. Versatile and convenient. One of the best things about bananas is their versatility and convenience. They require no preparation and can be enjoyed on their own as a quick and nutritious snack. Alternatively, bananas can be added to smoothies, oatmeal, yogurt, or baked goods for an extra boost of flavor and nutrition. Their natural sweetness also makes them a healthier alternative to sugar when used in recipes for baked goods or desserts. Certainly. Let's delve a bit deeper into the specific mechanisms by which bananas support energy and weight loss. Metabolism boost. Bananas contain vitamin B6, which plays a crucial role in metabolism by helping convert food into energy. This vitamin also aids in the production of neurotransmitters, such as serotonin and dopamine, which regulate mood and appetite. By supporting efficient metabolism and promoting a positive mood, vitamin B6 found in bananas can indirectly contribute to weight management efforts. Gut health. The fiber content in bananas not only promotes feelings of fullness but also supports gut health. The soluble fiber in bananas acts as a prebiotic, fueling the growth of beneficial bacteria in the gut. A healthy gut microbiome is linked to improved digestion, nutrient absorption, and overall metabolic health, all of which are important factors in weight management. Hydration. Bananas are composed of about 75% water, making them an excellent hydrating snack. Proper hydration is essential for maintaining energy levels, supporting metabolism, and regulating appetite. Portion control. Bananas come in convenient, pre-portioned servings, making them a handy tool for practicing portion control. This can be especially helpful for individuals trying to manage their calorie intake and achieve weight loss goals. Sustainable satisfaction. One of the challenges of weight loss is finding foods that not only support your goals, but also leave you feeling satisfied. Bananas fit the bill perfectly, offering a combination of carbohydrates, fiber, and natural sugars that provides sustained energy and satiety. By including bananas in your meals and snacks, you can stay satisfied for longer periods, reducing the likelihood of unhealthy snacking or overeating. Balanced snacking. Pairing bananas with protein or healthy fats can enhance their energy-sustaining properties and contribute to a more balanced snack. Try enjoying a banana with a tablespoon of nut butter or a handful of nuts to create a satisfying and nutritious snack that provides a combination of carbohydrates, protein, and healthy fats. Post-workout recovery. After a workout, your body requires replenishment of glycogen stores and nutrients to support muscle recovery and energy restoration. Bananas make an excellent post-workout snack due to their carbohydrate content, which helps replenish glycogen stores, and their potassium content, which aids in muscle recovery and hydration. Mindful eating. Practicing mindfulness while eating can enhance your awareness of hunger and fullness cues, leading to more mindful food choices and improved portion control. When eating a banana, take the time to savor its flavor, texture, and aroma, and pay attention to how it makes you feel physically and emotionally. This can help prevent mindless overeating and promote a healthier relationship with food. Variety and moderation. While bananas offer numerous health benefits, it's important to remember that variety is key to a balanced diet. Incorporate a variety of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats into your meals and snacks to ensure you're getting a wide range of nutrients. Additionally, moderation is key when it comes to banana consumption, as excessive intake can contribute to an imbalance in carbohydrate intake. Listen to your body. Everyone's nutritional needs and preferences are unique, so it's essential to listen to your body and adjust your diet accordingly. Pay attention to how different foods, including bananas, make you feel and perform, and make adjustments as needed. If you find that bananas support your energy levels and weight loss goals, continue incorporating them into your diet. However, if you experience any adverse effects or discomfort, consider modifying your intake or exploring alternative options. Tips and insights on how bananas can support your energy and weight loss goals. Healthy substitutions. Incorporating bananas as a healthy substitute in recipes can help reduce calorie and sugar intake while still satisfying your sweet tooth. For example, mashed bananas can be used as a substitute for oil or butter in baking recipes, reducing the overall fat content. Similarly, frozen bananas blended with a splash of milk or yogurt can create a creamy and nutritious alternative to ice cream or milkshakes. Supporting digestive health. Bananas contain a type of fiber called pectin, which has been shown to have prebiotic effects and support digestive health. Prebiotic fibers help nourish the beneficial bacteria in your gut, promoting a healthy balance of gut flora. A healthy gut microbiome is linked to improved digestion, nutrient absorption, and immune function, all of which can contribute to overall well-being and weight management. Sustainable source of energy. Bananas provide a sustainable source of energy without the need for caffeine or artificial stimulants. Unlike caffeinated beverages or energy drinks, which can lead to energy crashes and dependence, bananas offer a natural and steady source of energy that can help you stay alert and focused throughout the day. Whether you're studying for exams, working on a project, or simply trying to get through a busy day, bananas can provide the sustained energy you need to keep going. Flexibility in culinary applications. From breakfast to dessert, bananas can be incorporated into a wide range of culinary applications to suit your taste preferences and dietary needs. Whether sliced on top of cereal, blended into smoothies, grilled as a topping for pancakes, or baked into muffins or bread, there are countless ways to enjoy the versatility of bananas. Experiment with different recipes and cooking techniques to discover new and delicious ways to incorporate bananas into your meals and snacks. Sustainable weight management. By including bananas as part of a balanced diet and active lifestyle, you can support sustainable weight management goals. The combination of fiber, vitamins, minerals, and natural sugars found in bananas can help keep you feeling satisfied, energized, and nourished, making it easier to maintain a healthy weight over the long term. Remember to focus on overall dietary patterns and lifestyle habits, rather than relying solely on individual foods or ingredients, for sustainable weight management success. So next time you're looking for a natural and delicious way to boost your energy and support your weight loss goals, reach for a banana and enjoy the many benefits it has to offer. Bananas are a versatile and nutritious fruit that can play a valuable role in supporting energy levels and promoting weight loss. By incorporating bananas into your diet mindfully and in moderation, pairing them with balanced snacks, and listening to your body's cues, you can harness the power of this delicious fruit to enhance your overall health and well-being. So go ahead, embrace the banana, and enjoy its many benefits on your journey to a healthier lifestyle. Incorporating bananas into your diet can be a simple yet effective strategy for boosting energy levels, supporting metabolism, and achieving weight loss goals. Whether enjoyed as a standalone snack, added to recipes, or used as a healthier alternative to processed foods, bananas offer a myriad of benefits for overall health and well-being. So next time you're in need of a nutritious pick-me-up, reach for a banana and reap the rewards of this versatile and delicious fruit. Bananas are more than just a tasty fruit. They are nutritional powerhouses that can provide sustained energy and support weight loss goals. With their abundance of essential nutrients, sustainable energy, and versatility, bananas deserve a place in any healthy diet. Whether enjoyed on their own or incorporated into meals and snacks, bananas offer a delicious and convenient way to boost energy levels and promote overall well-being. So go ahead, grab a banana, and experience the benefits for yourself.